We're continuing to follow the destructive path of Hurricane Ian as it makes its way across Florida. The devastation being seen on Florida's west coast is significant, with sustained winds of previously 155 miles per hour, although they're right now at 140. It's been called just shy of a Category 5 hurricane, which is the most powerful storm possible. Personally, this news hit me hard, as I know so many snowbirds in Minnesota who have made the areas being devastated by the hurricane their home. And that includes my family. My parents have called Sanibel Island home for nearly the past 4 years, and facing the total loss of their home is tough. But my mom tells me knowing some of her neighbors are choosing to stay on island despite Sanibel being a priority A evacuation zone makes this event much more terrifying.
You know, not only am I worried about the property that we own down there, much more so I'm worried about my friends, my neighbors that haven't evacuated, and so their lives are in danger.
Incredibly scary. Ian is expected to move across Central Florida and exit Daytona Beach sometime tomorrow. The Red Cross has 2,500 responders ready to deploy once Ian passes to assist residents with food, shelter, and emergency supplies.